What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. So I was walking around Sam's Club yesterday or 2 days ago, one of those, and I already have a hammock, the metal part of the hammock. So I saw this Sam's Club. I got this for $10. Okay, it says it does 500 pounds, 500 pounds of weight capacity, and the product only weighs 1.95 pounds. So that is crazy for a product to weigh this, like to weigh almost nothing, and the capacity could be 500 pounds. And voila, equipped. All right, let's open this thing up. Oh, we got straps. Oh, that must be the, oh, got the 2 metal hooks. It got little instructions right here on the side of it. Y'all hammock. All right, let's talk about it. Okay, you guys, I really do like this hammock. It may not look balanced, but once you get in there, you are very balanced. It's comfortable. It's more laid back. Don't know if I could do a weight test. Maybe I could put me and my kids on it so y'all can see how far it comes down to the bottom. So I'll do that in a little bit. But other than that, if you already have a hammock, you can use the hook or whatever you have, or they have these 2 straps right here where you can wrap it around. If you want it like around one tree to another tree, then you can use this. My oldest son weighs a little bit more, and my youngest is 8, so he really don't weigh that much. But we are going to do the floor test on this. We're doing the weight test. Oh, boy. Oh. Okay.
All right, on next.
This is the weight test. So me and my oldest is almost 300 and something pounds. Oh, don't break.
Oh my God.
I'm not gonna break. Okay, so with all of us together, it's over 400 pounds, and y'all can see that we still got a good amount of a distance on the bottom. Okay, y'all. Thank y'all. Please leave a like, comment, and please subscribe.
Good morning.
Are you enjoying that?
Yeah.
Okay, y'all. See y'all later.